every beam brings me closer to you, Jenny.